Try this powerful infusion to cleanse and reduce prostate inflammation. If you're approaching 40, it's important to keep your prostate and overall health in good condition. Since my grandfather started drinking this powerful infusion, he says he feels like he's 18 again. This powerful juice helps reduce inflammation, prevent diseases, and improve issues with intimacy. So, stay with me until the end and you'll thank me later. To start this remedy, we'll begin by cutting a tomato into small pieces. Tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, an antioxidant that's linked to many benefits, including reducing the risk of cancers like breast, prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. While we're cutting the tomato, we'd love to know which country or city you're watching from, so we can send you a special greeting in the next video. Thank you for watching and enjoying our videos. Remember, it's very important to tell us where you're watching from so we can greet you in the next video. Thank you for watching and sharing our videos. Now, we'll take 5 cloves of garlic, peel them, and chop them into small pieces. Garlic has many health benefits, including promoting heart health and reducing the risk of heart attacks. To enjoy these benefits, you should eat raw chopped garlic instead of taking garlic supplements, powders, or capsules. Next, we'll add the ingredients to the blender along with a cup of water, blend well, and strain the mixture. This powerful combination of garlic and tomato helps prevent cardiovascular diseases, reduces cholesterol and triglycerides levels, improves circulation, relieves respiratory diseases, and reduces swelling by eliminating excess fluids from the body. If you're still watching, we'd love for you to leave the word tomato in the comments so we can give you a special shout out in the next video. Once blended and strained, your drink is ready to consume. It's recommended to drink a glass of this juice every day on an empty stomach for a month. This juice helps reduce inflammation, prevent diseases, and improve issues with sexual performance. The advice we give here is meant to complement your health, so always remember to visit your doctor. We hope you try this recipe because it really works and the results are amazing. Share this video with your friends who might need it. See you in the next video.